The secretary bird is a unique bird of prey native to the African savanna that walks more than it flies. It is known for its long legs and unusual hunting method, kicking its prey quickly and powerfully, capable of even killing venomous snakes. With its elegant appearance and feathers resembling a pen on its head, this bird resembles an ancient secretary. Furthermore, secretary birds live in pairs and are known for their fidelity, making it one of the most fascinating land predators in the avian world.